In this tutorial, we'll be showing you how to enable and use memory in ChatGPT4. So of course, you can see it already on the screen that ChatGPT now has memory across chat. So let's have a go at it. So of course, you're going to click on continue. Now this is automatically enabled, but we're going to make sure of it. Now, in order to do that, we need to come over to the bottom left corner and we get to click on our profile ID and we're going to click on settings. Now we have this dialog box. We're going to come over to the second option, personalization. And right here, you can see already that memory is toggled on. So memory, as we said, is automatically on, and this is a good confirmation. So we've enabled it. Let's go and give it a try. So I could say I am a guitarist. And you can see that memory has been updated. Is a guitarist. That is, I am a guitarist. And when you click on manage memories, you can see that it has saved that I am a guitarist. I could also add another memory. So I could say I just bought an iPhone 13 and also send that. You see, it's able to identify that this is a memory. It says, nice choice. How are you liking your iPhone 13 so far? Of course, I could say anything I want to say. But here's the fun part. Because this has been saved, I'm going to go ahead and delete this. And then I will ask it a question based on what I've given it already. So I could delete this, I'm going to confirm. And of course, this is a fresh chat now. Everything has been deleted. And I could ask ChatGPT a question. So I'm asking it a question, what is my favorite instrument? And let's see what it says. Your favorite instrument is the guitar. And we're going to ask it another question. So we're asking it a question, what phone do I use? So let's go. You use an iPhone 13, and that's exactly what we have in the memory. So this feature allows ChatGPT to take note of some details about you, and you can use that to utilize and optimize your workflow. So this is how to enable and use memory in ChatGPT4.